See how high you can reach. Okay. Can you mark on there? Oop, you're getting away from it. Now see how the angle, there you go. Ta-da!
Yay!
I'll start the soft way and then you finish it up. They're the same length. It's very important they're the same length.
Whoa!
You mark this one. Wait, watch this. We want the blade to be flat on here. See how this side is flat? We have it on there, it gives us a mark that way. So we hold it this way, it'll be poking underneath. So start here.
I mark it all the way. I don't know if I can do this.
Yeah, you can. So I want you to do that on this side. But on this side, it's over here. So put the knife into this mark. There you go. Now let's slide this up. Now, whoop, turn it this way. There you go. Like that. Now draw straight back. Right through that green line. And then we're also going to mark this side. You do that one. So from there out to the end. There you go. Okay, you want to do this side? Okay, you do this side. There you go.
Deeper.
There you go. Now look, you're down at the line here. Okay, you finish that one. There you go. Okay, there you go. Come on, hit it. There you go, stop. Hit it again.
Oh, my arms are tired.
There you go, look at that.
Oh, it's huge. Ow, my arm.
Okay, hit it. Okay. Okay, hit it.
I don't know.
Block, look at the block.
Oh.
Here, hit it again. Don't put your finger underneath, just put them on top.
Oh.
Just a couple on top, like that.
Ow, it's still in my fingers.
Okay. Hit it. Woo!
I really need to hold it.
There, and that goes like that.
Nice. We're gonna spread it around.
Okay, I'm gonna use my finger.
Yeah.
Don't use your finger.
I'm not using my finger.
I know. Can you turn it?
Ooh.
Can you turn it? Focus on what you're doing. Focus, focus, focus. Get that head down a little bit farther. Right, a little more. Right there. Yeah, that's not. That's good. Right there.
Is this wood glue?
That is wood glue. There we go. Crank it on down.
Meh.
A little more. Right there.
Whoa.
Okay, there we go.
Drop. Yeah.
There you go. Good job. Folks, let's see if we got our size right. Ready?
Whoa.
There you go.
Nice.
Yep.
Yay.
You like that?
Like it.
There you go. Flat edge against there. What? Do it again. Go harder. Okay, you finish it.
What? I'm just gonna catch that little piece.
I got it. Keep going. Longer strokes. There you go.
I hate when we twisting.
Just like that.
I'm gonna hug onto your. Oh.
Perfect. You hit it. Keep going. There you go.
Hello. Birch.
Box elder.
Box elder.
Okay, tap it again. There you go.
Ooh, yeah. Bang, bang.
Okay, Melody, can you tap that down in? See how it fits. Right in the middle. Remember, hit the face, not the corner.
That should be enough.
Go to the next one. A little more on that one.
This one?
Yep, that one's gonna need a little more. Crank it down, Mel.
It's a little of an A. Myself.
Keep going. Keep going.
Get in there.
There you go. That's good. So. Okay.
It's stuck in between.
Okay, do that one.
This feels weird.
Right to there. Yeah, put more pressure down. There you go, right there.
Published as a joke.
Okay. This is what you call using your head.
Holding it up.
Turn it up. Lift this up and turn it this way.
Whoa. See how she's
Come on
standing?
over.
Perfect.
There you go.
It's feeling wobbly. It's like an earthquake. Pink string. I really want to touch it. It's feeling really wobbly. Getting some in my eyes.
Your piece that's that, plus that, plus that. So around there.
Jumping.
There you go. We need to clamp these all together. So what are we going to use to clamp these together? A clamp.
Wow. This way?
Nope, down. Clamp this whole thing together this way.
Oh, that way?
Yep.
Why are we making holes in them?
You'll see.
Come on. Ooh. It's coming through.
There you go.
I'm just gonna hang this right here.
Okay.
Whoa.
Now put a bit on this. So you put these bolts through here. Look at this.
Oh, nope.
Just like that.
That one's a big one.
And then we can put on these wing nuts.
Wing nuts.
Yep. They're nuts, but they're shaped like wings.
Cute. How are we gonna get it on there? Is the question.
You'll have to find out, huh? You can turn this one, and now it can go on here,
Cool.
or it can go up here.
Cool. And
And then you can slide this down on it so it pinches it in place and holds it there.
it won't move.
And then
Stays
you
in.
clamp the wing nuts in.
Now I
And there.
can go paint.
Now it's ready to paint.
Ta-da!
So there you have it. This is a fun project with my daughter. If you'd like to see a how-to video on this, I actually went through and had an entire video where I go through the step-by-step and talk through what am I thinking, why was I thinking, and all the steps that went into this. Also, I will have the SketchUp file for this available on my website. And if it's still going on with the epidemic right now, then I have a 50% off code for that on the HiveMind. You can find that down below. So if you have any of my plans are 50% off right now Just want to help out everyone. So if you're in your shop, have a little bit of fun with your family, maybe do something with your kids. Also, if you want to see Melody, she has her own channel called Melody's Workbench. I'll leave a link to that one down below. And you can see her build video when she talks through this whole thing, and from her point of view, which is absolutely, well, it's interesting. So head on into those and have a little bit of fun. Hope you like this project. Really quick, very simple, very easel project. And yeah, we'll be doing a few other kid projects like this in the future. I do want to say a huge thank you to the patrons on Patreon. You guys really are the reason we can keep doing this. So thank you for that. That means far more than I can say, especially right now. Patreon is the main reason why Wood by Wright is out. It is the main income for the channel. So thank you for that. If you'd like to find out more about that, there's a link to it down below. Also say thank you to everyone who's scrolling here on the side. So I think that's about it for today. And until next time, have a wonderful day.
Bye.
Okay, in lieu of a dad joke, we're going to have a Melody joke. So what is it, Melody?
Why did the dentist give cotton candy to the patient?
Why did the dentist give cotton candy to the patient?
For a sweet tooth.
Now you know where I got it from.